Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Power BI with DevK Learner, a bit forward daily. So what I'm trying to cover in this are samples and some of the questions. So in my previous assignment, I was being asked to create an hierarchy, and that hierarchy was somewhere about the same kind of a thing that we used to do in SQL. So what kind of thing there were two rows. One was showing the employees information and the other one was showing the manager information, and we have to connect them together. So that's what I'm going to cover in this session. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and if you like what I'm doing, like our videos and share our videos to the people who would be who could might get help from the videos. So starting again with the video. So we have a manager and an employee. So we have this kind of a database there in which we have a list of employees. Uh, and we have the employee ID of the employees and the manager ID of the employees and the manager names. So we can have hierarchy. For example, Christoph is the main manager. Christoph is the manager for James, and James is having a team of himself like Ravi, and Ravi is also manager for Vinay. So we have this kind of a system or this kind of a vision or hierarchy, and we want to create and we want to do something with that. So we want to have the complete hierarchy. So for that, what we can do is in the Power BI, what I've done is I have taken this from the Excel that I was showing you. I'm just showing you the query side of it. So we have imported the Excel into the Power BI. And once we have imported it, you will see that we had a certain number of columns. So we had employee ID name, and we also had the manager name. We'll give it some time so that the source get updated. And I will just click on retry so that we get the complete data. This might take some time. So now you see that's a simple data that we have taken from Excel. And these are the employee IDs, these are the manager ID. In order to show you the complete hierarchy in this format, what I have done is I have used the function that has been provided to us. And what I've done is I've created a column, a custom column. And here you see we have used the path function to create the hierarchy. So the first thing, if I remove the bracket and put it back, the first thing that it says is the ID column. So I've taken names, but basically in my production environment, I've taken email because email ID is unique for everyone. So even I can take it from the employee's ID. So, but I've taken the name, and then with that, I have given the ID of the child, the parent column and the child column. So we have the employee name and we have the manager name. So that is how it has been given. So the first ID is of the child and then the parent. So this is how the hierarchy has been built. So Christoph, James, Ravi, Alok, and you will see all the hierarchy there. And from here, I can see even the hierarchy which is under Christoph. But at the moment, if you see, I see the hierarchy in which I see only Christoph, and then I'm seeing the team members there. In the next video, I'll try to give you the information that how you can, if you want, you can have a drop down list slicer here where you select the manager and you see all the people reporting to him, right? So that we'll be doing in the next video. I hope this video was helpful, and these are the part that we have covered. So this is kind of a self join that we have created. So we select the path function to concatenate the hierarchy, and it will show you the list of manager hierarchy there, and that's what we have done. So before I end, you will be getting this presentation, and I'll be also sharing this PBIX file soon. And all the references that I've been using has been shared here. So I thank you. I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, you can write in the YouTube comments, or you can email to divklearner@gmail.com. But it is better to write me in the comments because I'm not very frequently checking my emails. I will be doing it, but at the moment I'm not. So sorry for that. If you have written it down anything to me, please try to write it in the YouTube comments. And I'm sorry for the delay. And if you like what I'm doing and feel we can help others, please share this with them and ask them to subscribe it. And if you really like it, what we are doing, please like it as well. So with that, we end the video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.